Entire department and organizing committee, I welcome Dr. Ganesh Deepak to this function. I am very happy to share that we are lucky enough to get the funding for 2 FDPs this year. We are grateful to Dr. Ravinder Kumar Soni, the Director of Atal Academy, for this opportunity. For the present FDP on advancements and entrepreneurial opportunities in additive manufacturing, over 120 participants of various universities from Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, UP, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Assam from multiple disciplines of science and technology have joined us today. Also, I am glad to note that professionals from various industries, including TVS Motors, have registered for this FDP. On behalf of the organizing committee of this FDP, I wholeheartedly welcome all the participants. Last but not the least, I welcome the members of advisory committee, coordinators, co-coordinators, and members of the organizing committee, especially Mr. Navijay Kalal, Mr. Narayan Swamy, Mr. Vinod Kumar, and their team to this function. To brief you shortly about this FDP, in this FDP we are having 14 sessions stretched for 5 days, starting with the overview and the industrial perspective of 3D printing today. We will be covering modeling and simulation, metal printing, biomedical applications, entrepreneurial opportunities in marine, aerospace, domestic and industrial spheres. And to make it interesting and outcome-oriented, we have also added sessions on intellectual property right and a few online demonstrative sessions as well. As a whole, we believe that this FDP will be informative, knowledge-building, and enjoyable to all participants. Thank you very much for registering this FDP, and we hope that you will enjoy these 5 days with us. Best wishes to the whole team, and thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Producer, for speaking about the FDP and the gathering and activities. Now I request Professor Narayan Swamy sir to introduce the chief guest for today's function, Mr. Vinayak D. Kamath sir, the CEO of Auto CNC Ace Micromatic Group, Bangalore.
Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce today's chief guest, Mr. Vinayak D. Kamath. So, presently, sir is the CEO in the Auto CNC Ace Mathematics, Bangalore. Sir has completed diploma in mechanical in 1984 and got a second rank in the state level, and pursued his MBA from IISc in 1997. Trained in lean manufacturing systems in Japan in 2005 and Bosch production systems in 2006, and in manufacturing excellence by CII UNIDO in 2007 to 2009. After investment, sir had joined Auto CNC as a junior engineer trainee in 1988, became production engineer in 1989, and a manager in 1990, and elected as a director through ESOP in 1997, became a vice president in 2009, presently CEO from 2019. Sir is a member of strategic committee for Ace Micromatic Group and a member of corporate governance Ace Micromatic Group. And sir, core strengths are manufacturing, process design, plant management, maintenance. And sir has traveled to 22 countries on business development across 4 continents. and is a visiting faculty for IMPMA and CRA training programs. It's AS Micromathematics Institute for Learning. Is a member of CII Industry 4.0 team, member of Capital Goods Steel Council, a body at national level involved in Skill India Mission, a member of IMPMA on Industry Academia core team, and leading the internship programs at AS Micromathematics from 2015. To continue Sir's legacy, his elder son is a completed MS in mechanical engineering, works for a general electrical engineer in USA, and second son is a completed MS in physical chemistry from University of Chicago and is pursuing his PhD. And Sir is a governing council member of Kendra Engineering College and a guiding member of a department of mechanical engineering. And we are very happy to have with us, sir. We once again welcome you on behalf of the Kendra Engineering College.
Thanks a lot.
So now I request our beloved principal Ganesh Nibad sir and head of the department Krishna Professor and correspondent Padmanabha Pai sir and Vinayak T. Kamath sir virtually to join the lighting of the lamp.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our beloved principal, Dr. Ganesh V. Bhatt, sir, the director of this faculty development program, to present the inaugural.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. I once again welcome you for your participation and joining us virtually today for this Atal-sponsored one-day FDP on advancement and entrepreneurship opportunities in additive manufacturing. For the past couple of years, we have seen drastic changes happening in almost all verticals of engineering. Mechanical engineering, to a certain extent, which was thought to be immune to these changes, is no exception today. With the rolling out of Industry 4.0, drastic changes has been seen. My personal opinion is that somewhere along the line, when I see the syllabus of mechanical engineering, I don't see that being getting evolved as when compared to the other branches. So might be that is one reason that that is the situation that we see with respect to technical education of mechanical engineering getting affected in the recent days. With this reference, I would like to congratulate the Department of Mechanical Engineering for having got 2 FTPs from Atal, AACP Atal sponsored scheme, so that we get ourselves equipped to what is happening and what is required, so as to bridge the gap between the industry and the regular curriculum. And I really hope that all the people out here, in whatever way we can contribute, have to see that new technologies have to be taught and inculcated into the new engineers of this branch. I've been told that 3D printing and other additive technologies will be discussed. Myself being an electronics engineer, could understand a little bit about it. But I really wish that the topics listed out are very interesting and will keep you engaged for the next 1 week. With this brief note, I wish all the best for this activity, and again congratulate Mechanical Department on getting this competition. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for being the support to us always. And I'm sure that this faculty development program, how the program is designed, will be definitely helpful for all the participants, and they will definitely take a lot from the faculty development program. Now, it's my pleasure to welcome Vinay Kamath, sir, the CEO of Auto CNC, Ace Micromatic Group, Bangalore, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are very clearly audible.
Yeah, so it's a pleasure to be with the academia whenever I get this opportunity. Actually, part of my role and responsibility and duty is to see that the industry academia interaction is taken to the next level, so that together we achieve the mission of imparting technical education and making this country strong. There is a saying which we have in our CII circles that 65, maybe 60% of the new jobs beyond the next 10 years have not been invented. I repeat again, 65% of the new jobs beyond the next 10 years have not been invented yet. What does this mean? It means that, I'm sorry to say, whatever we are teaching today might be obsolete or already might be obsolete. We just wouldn't know that. But on the other hand, what do? So the only way to do is learn, relearn, and try to be agile so that we can take up the challenges which come in the future. So in this connection, I'm very happy that Canara Engineering College is organizing this faculty development program, which is quite important because the teachers have to learn more than the students. Let me tell you one thing, ladies and gentlemen, the students learn only for 4 years and then they are into their jobs. Whereas you, the faculty, you have to learn continuously for the next 25, 30, 35 years. I don't know how long. So best wishes to all of you. So it's my pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vinay, sir. You are always being an inspiration for us and always give more energy for us. Thank you so much for being with us. Now, I request to give the presidential remark. I call now Padmanabh Pai, sir, the Vice President of Canara High School Association and the correspondent of CEC, to address the gathering. Sir, please.
Wish you all a very good morning, especially to Mr. Vinayak Kamath, our mentor for the Mechanical Engineering Department. Thank you very much, Kamath ma'am, for being here to motivate all of us. Like he has made a significant remark that whatever we study, whatever knowledge we have, is going to be obsolete. And that means that we need to keep upgrading our knowledge all the time. From the management side, I assure you all that this is a step in the right direction. I see a lot of activities in the college by almost all the departments, and we want you to do this kind of activity so that the knowledge of our teaching profession, teaching faculty is upgraded all the time. I'm sure you know in the medical field that they need to attend so many conferences every year to continue to be in practice or to continue to be in academics. So in a similar fashion, I think we as engineers also need to upgrade our knowledge. If we think we know everything, I think that's absolutely ridiculous. I think we are working in the right direction. Training faculty, training students. This should be the thing that we need to do in Kanra Engineering College. Even the students, I'm requesting again all the departments, especially the mechanical engineering department, to get the students industry ready. Kamath Ma'am always tells us that the students who come to his company are not industry ready. So we should be working in that direction. We should start to think out of the box. Just not the syllabus that is recommended by VTU. I think some of the subjects, some of the math things that are taught in the college again is absolutely obsolete. So try to think out of the box. Try to give them new ideas, teach them new concepts, and you should impress upon the students and the faculty that they really need to upgrade themselves. Going to conferences. Maybe now there is a lot of restrictions because of COVID, but once the pandemic is over, I think we need to start moving out and attending conferences and all that. The management is with you 100% on this. So I wish to congratulate the Mechanical Engineering Department for organizing FDP today, and again wish to thank Vinayak Kamath Ma'am for his devoting his very, very valuable time, that too on a Monday morning, to our college. So we are going to come back to you, Kamath Ma'am, for more and more help in rejuvenating the whole the process of hands-on training to our faculty and to our students. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The management of Kanra Engineering College always supports us in conducting such activities. And Padmanabh Pai sir, even during his busy schedule, will find time to be with us. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. Now I request Professor Srinivas Shanal to deliver the vote of thanks for the inaugural ceremony.
A warm and graceful morning to all the members gathered here. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contribution of all those who have really worked hard to make this activity happen. I, on behalf of Kanra Engineering College and the entire fraternity of the institution, first of all extend my most sincere salutations to the Almighty God for making today's inaugural event a resounding success. I would like to thank All India Council for Technical Education, Patel Academy, for providing this opportunity and for sponsoring this one-week activity. On behalf of Kanra Engineering College, I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our Honorable Vice President of Kanra High School Association and Correspondent of Kanra Engineering College, and also the President of today's function, Sri Padmanabh Pai sir, and also the Governing Council member of Kanra Engineering College, Sri Vinayak Kamath sir, who is the Chief Guest of today's function, who spared time from their busiest schedule to grace the occasion. So that is the kind of commitment and dedication that Sri Padmanabh Pai sir and Vinayak Kamath sir have towards the institution. They always provide us the support which is truly commendable. That gives us a lot of inspiration to conduct more such events. Thank you, sir. I'm immensely thankful to our beloved principal and the director of today's event, Dr. Ganesh V. Bhatt sir, and our beloved HOD and coordinator of today's function, Dr. Krishna Prabhu sir, for providing us all the support and organizing this activity. Thank you, sir. And event like this cannot happen overnight. We had applied for this activity in the month of March 2020, and due to the pandemic, this event was delayed, and we are thankful that we are organizing this event now. It's almost been a year. I'm thankful to all the coordinators, Mr. Anindra sir, Mr. Vinod sir, and Mr. Narayan Swami sir, and all the technical staff who have been very proactive and dedicated in coordinating and making this event. Thank you. Last but not the least, special thanks to all of the active participation.
I hope this FTP will be beneficial and inspiring to all the participants. Best wishes to everyone. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much and all the best.
Thank you, sir. With this, we come to the end of the inaugural ceremony, and within few minutes, we'll be starting our session. And the first session is about subtractive to additive manufacturing by Mr. Vinayak Kamath, sir. So I request everyone to kindly stay back. The session will start soon, maybe within 5 minutes. Thank you all for joining us.